Hi, this is Joan. Welcome to my channel, The Brown Dragonfly. This will be my first video. Just to tell a little bit about myself, I was an avid cross-stitcher for many, many years. While I was doing that, I used to make cards for my granddaughters and decided I wanted to kind of get my skills a little bit better in doing that. So last summer I started some card making. I did find that a little bit tedious. While I was watching YouTube videos, I then stumbled across junk journaling, and that's what I became very interested in. So I've been making them since last August, and I'm kind of at a point that I want to go ahead and share those journals. I've also been very encouraged by my friend Natalie at LineDotArrow. She's been very supportive, answering all the questions that I have, so I wanted to say thank you to her. So it's kind of appropriate that this journal, the main kit that I used is Treasures of Nature from her store, Line.Arrow on Etsy. In this journal, you will see some dragonflies from JunkWithSteph, mushrooms from TooksCraftTable, and owls from EverythingCharlie. So I'm just going to go ahead and start flipping through here. It is 3 signatures. I just used a cloth cover and then used some papers from the kit and made this frame. There's a side pocket here that has a journaling card. There's also a tuck spot up here that I just used one of the papers to make a tag for that. I'm not gonna talk about everything. All the pages are from her kit. Some of them are pages. I took pages and I actually made the journal cards, and then some are actual tags from the kit. I used coffee dyed paper. This is probably one of my favorite things. I did use a little craft envelope. This was a frame in the kit, so I cut it out, used some tracing paper to cover it for this tag. Then I made a tag for the pocket. And then I also left it open so we could have a journaling card behind. This is a envelope that comes with the kit. It's made some little flips throughout with some tags and pockets. This mushroom I just left open so it could have a tuck in the back. There, I just tore some paper, left it open for a tuck. This is actually from Pink Monarch. This is a dictionary page I got in a swap from Line.Arrow. Monique is the one that I exchanged with, and she sent me a couple extra pages that you'll see in here. And dragonflies are my favorite, of course. Some lace on the edge. This is actually a picture from a book that I got at a thrift store, and I just sewed and made a envelope and then put a piece of coffee dyed paper inside. This is actually an envelope that I had coffee dyed a long time ago. Just embellished the front, made a tag for it, and then I left it open so I could put another tag behind. And this is another one of those craft envelopes. And these are actually Tim Holtz. This is another one of the pages that Monique sent me. Pink Monarch. Very pretty paper. This is a craft bag I just cut down and collaged on, and had used some different ink on the back. I made a little journaling card with a mushroom tab. And then here I used one of the full pages from the kit and just made a large journaling tag. And then here with a little dragonfly embellishment, another journaling card. That's all for that one. I am going to show you one more I made over the weekend. My husband went to a leather store, and when I was in there, I saw some 8.5 by 11 pieces of leather that were colored. So I saw a purple one, which of course I love. Soft like suede, and I thought, well, I guess I can certainly make something out of that. So yesterday and the day before I worked on this journal. There's a lot of ephemera that is from the TLC group. This is just a one signature journal. I used just a few pages, JunkWithSteph, Janie B. Journals, and my porch prints is in here. This is just a little metal plate that I had, and I just put notes inside. These are from TLC. This is a craft bag I just cut down and left it open in the back to put a tag back here and then a card in here. It's a couple cards. There's an envelope. I don't think I have anything in the envelopes, so anyone can add what they would like. This is actually from Kara Brandon, one of her Friday freebies. This is from my porch prints. I think this is too. Just put in a few little pieces in these pockets. This was actually a page. I just backed it with some manila folder and made a large journaling card. A couple more cards. This is actually a guest check. Then I just folded it up and added a few things. There's a postcard and a tag I made from a page. Another envelope. And this is the last pocket. So I just wanted to share those with you. Eventually I will have these in my Etsy store. I'm going to be out of town this next week, but when I get back, I will put these up for sale. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll stay tuned to further journals that I make. Look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you so much for watching.